Hi my amigos and amigas, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is all about unboxing. Do you know what it is? It's my first time to have this, of course, not other than gimbal, capital G-I-M-B-A-L, gimbal. Here it is. Here, I just got this from a fellow YouTuber, Zelda for her giveaway for reaching her 6,000 subscribers. Shout out to you, my friend Zelda Park. Thank you for this gimbal. You know that it's my first time to have this, so thank you very much. And also, I like to say congratulate to my friend Kuya Idol Franco Salas TV for winning the consolation prize of our giveaway. Shout out to you, bro. Thank you. And come with me, my amigos and amigas. Let's do this unboxing of this gimbal. Okay, so let's start. Okay, let's get a cutter. It's my first time to have a gimbal, so I have to fully review it before using it for using outdoor video. Okay, so just be careful with this. Okay, so actually, guys, whenever I go out to take video, I always use selfie stick. But now I have gimbal. Time for me to explore Singapore. See? Actually, I don't know what's the color of this gimbal, guys, my amigos, because it says in the box it has pink, white, and black. So I don't know what's inside. Okay, so it's my lucky guess. I hope it's pink because it's a girly. Okay, so let's just see. Wow, so big inside. See? It has a container, so it's a Tech. Wow, so nice, my amigos and amigas. So this one, I don't know what it is. Let's just discover. Okay, and here. I never expected that this gimbal is have a container. Actually, I'm just expecting a bubble wrap in it. And here it is, the gimbal. See, it's so nice. It's black, but it's okay. It's a shining black. Okay, this one. It's a complete setup, so I have to study the manual. There's a manual too. So this one, Tech. In my research, my amigos and amigas, the gimbal for the Vimble to 3-held axis, it costs around $100 to $150. Oh my god, it's so expensive. Then I just got it for a lucky draw for winning something. So I'm so lucky. Unexpected moment like that is so amazing, my amigos and amigas. So this is the manual for it. See, it's a complete. So all the setup. See, first time using a gimbal, so I have to review it later on before using it. Okay, using it for next week outdoor. Okay, this one's the manual, and this one too, another manual. A warranty card, so if ever it got spoiled or something like that, I just have to give this. Or when something happened, just get broken or not charging, it's a factory product, I can return it to the store. I just have to ask the Zelda part for which store she just bought it. See, here's the details. Okay. So what's in this small box? Let's just open it. Oh, it's a USB charging port. And this one, so a lot. So I have to study the manual. I need it because it's my first time to use the gimbal. Because I'm used to it using some selfie stick and doing some video outside. So I have to study. Okay. So this is the gimbal. This is the function button. I can say it's a function button because you just have to click it. If you want to be in a tilting or panning mode when you put your phone here, okay, so it will just move. And this is the on and off button. See, on and off button. And this one, I think this one is for a selfie mode or a video mode because it has some pictures here. Okay, and this one is the charging. I mean, the USB should be connected here. And this one, by the way, it should be here. This one should be attached. It should be serve as a stand for this gimbal if you want to take a video standing, or you should be doing some jump shot or some video jump shot. I think this will do. Yeah, this one should be fixed here. Okay, this one. And this one is extended because this one should be extended long, and you can press it here because this one has a measurement like here. So I think this one should be can extend, by the way. And then the USB here and here. And this one, when you take a picture or video in vertical or horizontal mode, you can just tilt it. I mean, can tilt it. I don't know how to do it because I have to study the manual, but it shows a picture here. Wait. Okay, wait, I'll show you this one. See, it's a vertical or horizontal mode when you're taking a video or some pictures. Okay, this one. Okay. This button, I don't know this one button. I have to search in the manual, okay? Only that I'm familiar with it is this one, the stand, the USB port, and the on and off button here. This one, and the extended, this one should be pulled here. Cannot pull. That should be pulling because there's a measurement, it can still pull it. Yeah, I can pull. See? Sorry, not familiar with it. Okay, so this is it. And this one is like a tie. Yeah, this one should have a tie here. I don't know which part. And if you want to carry it, you just put this in a tie. Okay, and this one is the charging. Yeah, it's charging. Okay, so since it's my first time to have a gimbal, I have to study the manual, and of course, actually I scanned already the QR code before opening it, and this one, the QR code, this one. Yeah, and it turns out that the charging, if you charge this for 2 to 3 hours, it has a longer life, like 10 hours. So I have to charge it for 3 hours. On it, the life itself is 10 hours in using it. Okay. So this is the end of the unboxing, my amigos and amigas, since I'm not very familiar of the gimbal. Okay, sorry. Okay. So this one is the container. I'll just have to put it back because I have to study. Okay, that's it. Today's video, my amigos and amigas, the unboxing of this Vimble Gimbal 3 hand access. Actually, it can work for smartphone and for iPhone user too. So I will just check it out later. Okay, but I love it. This one, the tripod. See? I just see in the cartoon. I did not notice it. it's a portable in package. So time for me to explore Singapore and using this Vimble. This Vimble is a selfie mood shifting quickly, and it's a flexible and convenient and multi-function. That one is I have to discover by myself. Okay, because I cannot ask someone, hey, can you teach me this, okay, while using the gimbal. Okay, I don't like to be like that. I have to fully understand it. Okay, so thank you, my amigos and amigas, for joining me here unboxing my gimbal. Okay, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and comment down below in the comment section box if you want to mention something or if you want to add something. It's okay if you want to teach me how to use this gimbal. Okay, so to my future amigos and amigas, do subscribe to my channel and click notification bell to be updated to my upcoming video. Okay, bye my amigos and amigas, keep supporting me.